Hi, I'm Terry,
Hi, I'm Izzy.
and we are the proud owners of Atlanta Diamond Design. We have 2 stores, one in Cumming and one in Johns Creek. And today we are going to talk to you about how to take care of your jewelry and keeping it fresh and clean. So today I'm going to go over our back to factory specifications, which we lovingly call back to factory specs, and show you how your jewelry can go from this to looking like this. We should take care of our jewelry all year round, but summertime calls for a little bit of extra TLC when the sun and the sand and the water activities cause a little more wear and tear on our jewelry. And with our best intentions, we end up at the pool putting sunscreen on or lotions on ourselves, and even washing our hands add a little more film to our jewelry, our rings especially, cause them to look dingy and dull. So today we're going to go through the process. I'm going to show you what happens when you bring your ring in from the time it comes in to the time that wow factor you get to pick it up looking just like the day you got it. After you drop off your jewelry, the first stop is our jeweler Mario. You can see here he is checking all the stones and making sure all the prongs are tight. This is a very important part of the process and ensures your diamonds and gemstones stay safely set in your jewelry. After the diamonds and gemstones are checked, Mario will do an initial polish using specialized hand tools. Mario is now doing the final step in the shop. He is using different burrs and polishes to give the jewelry its final polish and make the jewelry shine just like the day you got it. So Mario's all done in the shop, and if your ring is yellow gold or platinum, it's ready to take home and to cherish. But if you have white gold jewelry here, there is one more step that it has to go through in order to give it that shiny white chrome beautiful finish. And Izzy's going to talk you through and show you how he does rhodium plating.
Hello friends and customers. This is Izzy from Atlanta Diamond Design. Today I'd like to show you how I do dipping, but in our industry we called it rhodium plating because we're actually using a platinum family metal which is much more expensive than platinum, if you can believe that, called rhodium. The rhodium is in this beaker over here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the rings that we have to dip and put them inside this electro cleaner. The electro cleaner makes sure every fatty stain that we touched with our hands maybe is going to remove it and clean the rings so they can be electroplated and covered all the way around with rhodium. When the green light is going to come off, it will be ready for me to rinse it in distilled water over here. It's very important and very crucial to have this very, very clean. Otherwise the rhodium will not adhere, and I also will contaminate a very expensive liquid here in this beaker. While we're waiting, I want to show you, this is the electric current giver, which is called an electroplater. I'm going to turn it on, and it is set a little bit too high for me. It is set for 5 amperes. So 5 amps of current are going to go from this machine through this little rod into the rings and plate the rings for 20 seconds. And we are ready to rinse this in water And we're going to take the engagement ring, first thing. And by the way, this little rod is platinum, and this little anode is platinum as well. And now I'm going to put it in. You'll see like soda coming out. You see all the bubbles? That's the reaction of the metal going from one area into the ring and plating the ring. We should use this air sucker, but for quietness, we're not doing this. So 10 more seconds and we will be done. Of course, you always need to have a watch with the second hand. So this is done, and in order to stop the reaction, we just right away dip it in distilled water. If you look at it right now, it will be so shiny and so white. So this is the process of dipping or rhodium plating that we do for every white gold ring. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, please share that below also. Have a beautiful day, and remember to get your jewelry repaired at Atlanta Diamond Design. Thank you.